Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.
Hi friends, this is your math uncle Rajesh Kalra, and today I'll teach you about fractions. What are fractions? I've been explaining so इतनी देर से समझा रहा हूँ. मेरा ना बिल्कुल भूख लग रही है मुझे, तो ये मैं अपने पास एक बिस्किट है, मैं खा ही लेता हूँ. ये आधा खा लिया मैंने. Very tasty. I've just showed you what a fraction is. I've eaten half a biscuit and this half is left. So this is a fraction. And normally fractions are parts. Normally fractions have always been used since you were like in nursery or KG or whichever class you were. You know how? याद है टीचर आपको, let's say she gives you 20 questions. She tells you please ये 20 questions का आंसर दो, और आपके सिर्फ 13 क्वेश्चंस राइट आते हैं. यू गेट ओनली 13 राइट. सो यू हैव 20 क्वेश्चंस फॉर आस्क्ड, सो 20 क्वेश्चंस आर रिटन डाउन, अ लाइन इज इन बिटवीन, एंड यू गॉट ओनली 13 राइट. सो रिमेंबर द मार्क्स यू यूज्ड टू गेट इन द टेस्ट. ऑलवेज देयर इज अ फ्रैक्शन लाइन. 13 out of 20, you get sometimes 9 out of 20, and some people get 20 out of 20 and they are called genius. And let me tell you, let me give you even more difficult example. Let's say you're a pet lover and you have 3 dogs, 2 cats, you also have turkeys, 3 turkeys, and you also have 1 rabbit. So what is the total? 3 to 6, 3 to 5, 5, 3, 8, 8, 1, 9. So what do you have? You have 9. And how many of them are dogs? So 9 will be down a line. You have 3 dogs. How many cats? 2 by 9 cats. You have 2 cats out of 9. How many turkeys? 3 turkeys. 3 by 9. And how many rabbit? 1 rabbit. 1 by 9. I've just told you what fractions are.
Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. Stop mugging up and start learning. Math Uncle makes math easy. रट्टा बना समझना शुरू करो. Math Uncle makes math easy.